Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can get Stripe API keys in your Stripe platform. It will be a quick step-by-step guide for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So first of all, you just need to be signed in your Stripe account if you have an Stripe, and it will take you to the dashboard. Just wait a bit to complete the process, and then you will get to see your dashboard here. Once you come over here into the home panel, you are able to see your secret key, then publish key and API key. Just click to the view docs. Once you click over here, then here you will get to see the documentation for you. Or if you want to find out your API key, then here you just need to search your API key. Just select this one, and here you can find out your API key. So here you just need to learn more API authentication. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes to create your API key. So here you can see this is the secret key, and key types you will get sandbox key. Use this key to authenticate requests on your. So in these options you will actually find out your API key. Right now we have these standard keys for our users because we are on sandbox, but when you are in the live account you can easily create your API key through this option. This is the easiest way to get your API key. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic.